Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down and click on Vibration and Haptic section. By tapping on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics, you can enable or disable them. If you decided to activate them, you can also adjust all of those options by tapping on the switchers next to chosen features, like incoming calls vibration, notification and alarm ones, outgoing calls, and even touch and media vibrations. When you finished adjusting, go back. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to switch on or off this feature. You can also click on this switcher next to always show icon when in vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!